Erykah Badu is an American singer and songwriter. Influenced by R&B, soul and hip-hop, Badu rose to prominence in the late 1990s when her debut album Baduizm placed her at the forefront of the neo-soul movement, earning her the nickname Queen of Neo-Soul by music critics. Badu's career began after opening a show for D'Angelo in 1994 in Fort Worth, which led to record label executive Kedar Massenburg signing her to Kedar Entertainment. Badu's first album, Baduizm, was released in February 11, 1997. It spawned 4 singles, On and On, Appletree, Next Lifetime and Otherside of the Game. Raised by her mother Kolleen Maria Gipson and 2 grandmothers, Badu was immersed in the performing arts from a young age. She began singing and dancing at the Dallas Theater Center and the Black Academy of Arts and Letters at age 4. As a teenager, she freestyled on local radio under the name DJ Apples. She later attended Booker T. Washington High School for the Performing and Visual Arts and studied theater at Grambling State University before leaving to pursue music full-time. Badu's career took off after opening for D'Angelo in 1994, leading to a contract with Kedar Entertainment. Her debut album Baduizm, featuring hits like On and Next Lifetime, received critical acclaim and won 2 Grammy Awards. The album's success positioned her as a central figure in the neo-soul genre. Throughout her career, Badu has received numerous accolades, including multiple Grammy Awards, Soul Train Music Awards, and NAACP Image Awards. Her innovative approach to music and performance continues to inspire artists across genres. Badu is a mother of 3 and has maintained amicable relationships with her children's fathers, including Andre 3000 of Outkast. Beyond music, she is a certified doula and holistic health practitioner. In 2020, she launched Badu World Market, an online store featuring her own line of products, including licensed and fashion items. Erykah Badu's enduring impact on music and culture is a testament to her artistry, authenticity, and innovation.